In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make report using Hootsuite. This tutorial is designed to be simple and practical, so you can create a useful report without getting lost in the interface. By the end, you will know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can analyze your results. First, sign into Hootsuite. When you open Hootsuite, you will see the sign-in page. Enter your account credentials and complete the login process. This step matters because the reports feature is tied to your specific account and connected social profiles. Once you are signed in successfully, you will land on the main dashboard. Take a moment to confirm that you are viewing the correct workspace, since Hootsuite can show different areas depending on your setup. Next, find Analytics in the left sidebar. On the screen, look toward the left side of the interface, where the navigation menu is located. Scroll if you need to, and locate the option labeled Analytics. Clicking Analytics is important because it is the section where reporting tools and performance views live. Once you open Analytics, you should see additional options that relate to performance tracking, trends, and report generation. Now click My Reports. After you enter Analytics, the interface should display report-related sections or pages. Look again at the navigation or the available tabs and choose My Reports. This area is where you manage reports that are associated with your account. It is also typically the place where you can review existing reports or start working with your own saved report views. If you are working on a specific goal, My Reports is your home base for organizing what you plan to analyze. Once you click My Reports, you can now analyze. At this stage, the screen will show report content or report options, depending on your account settings. Take a moment to review what is displayed. You may see analytics summaries, performance indicators, or report entries that correspond to your connected channels. If the page shows multiple reports, choose the one that matches what you want to evaluate. If there are options to view details, open the report so you can see the metrics clearly. As you analyze, focus on the key information that helps you understand how your content is performing. Look for the most relevant measures shown in the report, such as engagement, reach, and other performance signals presented by Hootsuite. If the report view includes time ranges or filters, make sure you are looking at the correct period. Using the right time frame is essential because it changes how you interpret the results. If you are comparing performance, confirm that you are comparing the same dates or the same grouping, so your conclusions are accurate. During this analysis step, it can also help to scan for any trends that stand out. For example, some metrics might be higher during certain days, or engagement might shift after specific posts. Hootsuite reports are meant to make that pattern easier to see, and your job here is to review what the data is showing. When you understand what the report indicates, you will be able to make better decisions about what to publish next and how to adjust your strategy. After you finish reviewing the report details, you are effectively done with the main workflow. You have signed in, navigated to Analytics, opened My Reports, and started analyzing the information that Hootsuite provides. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.